So the teaching of His Majesty is a truth towards mankind. It's not, it don't make war or nothing. It's a teaching, you know. No, this is a teaching, right? Someone who set the example, one must follow, no one must live. And His Majesty is the only one, the perfect one who do it.
Fire for your people. Jah the King is back. And putting hands on the children, bringing all them back to the home of the only one that we call Jah. This Rasta man's going home, yeah. Back where I was born. Let me rock your rocket. Let me rock your boat and rocket. Let me rock that boat, yeah, rocket. Let me rock everyone's boat and rocket. Let's reprimand them bastards who's in hearts of stone. 'Cause even them in the good way need it, but here on earth there's a